Wikidonist.com. Truth about tooth.
Hi, I am Dr. Thomas Nichipadam. Today we are talking about pit and fissure sealants. What is pit and fissures? Basically, when your teeth is formed, there is an anatomical problem. There is a lot of pits and fissures, then there is a lot of food getting in between the teeth, and that it can go for caries. So today we will talk about how to get over this problem and prevent decay. So there are different problems which is associated with caries. It may be food getting in between teeth, or sometimes it may be anatomical problems. Sometimes it is your brushing habits. So many people come and tell me, doctor, I brush twice daily, I do all the flossing, I do everything, but still I am having caries in my mouth. None of my family members brush and keep the teeth like that, but my teeth is like this. So in such cases, there may be anatomical issues which is there with the tooth itself. So when there is an anatomical issues, what we have to do is called as pit and fissures. If you are watching me first time, please like it, share it, and subscribe it, and press that bell button so that you will get personalized messages. How is pit and fissure sealing is done? There is no need of anesthesia most of the cases. There is no need of any type of anesthesia or conscious sedation required. It can be done for even children and for adults. So what we do is we smoothen out all that fissures and things like that. All the irregularities are smoothened out, not anatomical irregularities, only the fissures and the pits are actually cleared out, so that there is no caries underneath. And then we clean the whole area using an agent, or a conditioning agent can be also used, and so that it is actually cleaned up. And then we use a fluidic sealing material, or instead of using a hard or a viscous material, we use a little more fluidic material, so that it flows into all that pits and fissures and make it into a smooth area. Once that is done, your food will not go in. So that is why it is all kept sealed by using it's usually done when you have a roof which is actually having a lot of leakages or seepages, then it is done on the roof. It is something similar, only thing is it's done in a little more minute way. So in the tooth we actually do that. Once the sealant flows into that area, then it is actually light cured, or it is allowed to cure. If it is a self cured, then it is allowed to cure, or we can even do a light curing of that pit and fissures, so that the sealant is actually dry. Once that is done, you can actually, it's just a simple procedure which can be done in just each will take around 5 to 6 minutes. Each tooth will take that much only. So it's not a very comprehensive procedure, and if it can be done only to the tooth which is having all the pits and fissures, and then it can prevent a lot of caries. It is actually done abroad, so that the insurance companies will not incur a lot of payment after they get a caries or decay of the teeth. So but it is not done in most of these poor countries, and it can be done. It's not a very costly procedure, and you are always welcome to Nichipadam Dental Clinic, and we can do it for you. If it is required, only we will do it. We don't do it for everyone unless the anatomy is not good. Then only we will do all these procedures. So thank you very much for watching. Please keep on watching my videos. There are around 50 videos which is already there. You can always watch and understand more about dentistry. This will help you to alleviate the fear and all the tensions which is associated with dentistry. Most of the people fear the dentist. There is no reason why you have to fear the dentist. You have to understand the procedure, ask the dentist to do the right procedure, and you can understand. Once you understand, there will not be any fear. So that's the right way. Fear is alleviated with knowledge. So understand more, know more about dentistry, so that the fear is gone, and you can have a better smile and better teeth and better health. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.
Wikidonist.com. Truth about tooth.